Hello everyone, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful decoration ideas with pine cones, mason jars. Now begin. From natural pine cones to soft jute, from floral designs to festive ribbon, every every craft, every pine cones, every jar tells a story. So hope you enjoying these ideas and designs and be with us. Whether you are decorating for Xmas winter evening or simply love rustic charm, this project will fill your space with cozy natural beauty. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our mindful crafting journey together. To start, gather your simple materials you will need. A few glass jars or mason jars, pine cones of course, a small candles or LED fairy lights, jute twine or ribbon, optional items, dried flowers, cinnamon sticks, small ornaments, and a touch of glitter. You can easily find these items at home from natural nature walks or even at your local dollar or craft store. The best part, you are using natural and recyclable materials, making this project both eco-friendly and affordable. Now let's prepare our pine cones. Make sure they are clean and dry. If collected from outdoors, rinse them lightly and bake them at a low temperature, around 200 F or 90 centigrade for 20 minutes to remove moisture and bugs. Once it dried, you can leave them natural for an earthy look or add paint or for creativity gold, white, silver, red, or even touch of mixture of red and green, or even light dusting of glitter. Give them a festive sparkle. This step is where you let your imagination flow. Every pine cone has its own shape and beauty, just like every person's creativity. Now comes with the fun part, decorating your jar. Start by wrapping jute, rope, or ribbon around the top of the jar. Tie a small bow or attach charm for that extra handmade touch. Next, place a small candle or fairy lights inside. You can also add a little layer of dried moss, cinnamon sticks, or acorns for a natural look. Then gently place your pine cone inside the jar, either standing up or layered to your liking. When you turn on the lights or light the candle, the glow will pass through the pine cones, creating a warm, magical atmosphere. Perfect for dinner tables, cozy corners, or festive lights. Now let's bring everything together on your table. You can place one large jar in the center as a main centerpiece, or use smaller jars in group of 3 for a balanced, elegant look. Add soft linens, wooden trays, or greenery like eucalyptus or pine branches to complete the setup. If it's for Xmas, sprinkle a bit of artificial snow or small ornaments around the jars. If it's for a dinner or tea setup, keep it minimal, soft, calm, and elegant. Your table will instantly transform into a peaceful, nature-inspired space that your guests will love. Now let's talk about the wonderful benefits of fine cone jars decoration, both for your home and your mind. Pinecone brings a cozy woodland charm into your home, connecting indoor comfort with outdoor beauty. You are reusing natural elements, no plastic waste, no expensive decor, just creativity and care of nature. All you need are jars, pine cones, and lights, and candles also. Simple materials that cost little but look stunning. As you craft, you slow down your mind each step, arranging, decorating, and lighting the jar becomes a peaceful moment of mindfulness. These pinecone jars are not just for Xmas, use them for bedding, dinner table, cozy reading corners, or meditation spaces. Their beauty fits every season. Each jar reflects your creativity. You can add color, scent, or texture, making it uniquely yours. Additional creative variation.